The best countertop hot water dispensers will ensure that you have hot water in an instant whenever you need it. Immediate access to hot water is truly convenient, whether you're in the kitchen prepping mac and cheese, cleaning the grease off your plates, making soup, warming your baby's bottle, or are in the office grabbing a hot cup of water for tea or instant coffee before getting back to work. With a hot water dispenser on the countertop, much like a countertop water cooler, it won't consume much space either. We've researched and discovered the 9 top-rated countertop hot water dispensers, as well as one to avoid. And now for thefreshness.com reviews of the 9 best countertop hot water dispenser, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, InSinkErator Involve Instant Hot Water Dispenser. The InSinkErator Involve Instant Hot Water Dispenser will ensure you spend less time preparing your hot beverages. It offers hot water on demand, making it convenient if you're in a rush to make your cup of coffee in the morning. The dispenser has a 2-3-gallon stainless steel reservoir and is made of metal, which makes it durable. Due to its large water reservoir, the dispenser can produce up to 60 cups of hot water in an hour. It auto shuts off once water is boiled, and you can set the boiling temperature of your water. If you want it warm or boiling hot, simply use its controls to choose. This hot water dispenser comes with a 3-year warranty. The warranty is an in-home, full-service, limited warranty. That means should the water dispenser require service within the warranty period, the manufacturer's customer service team will actually come to your home. We consider this to be the best countertop hot water dispenser. Coming in at number 2, Rosewill Electric Hot Water Boiler and Warmer Stainless Steel Dispenser. This dispenser will make a good addition to your kitchen. The stainless steel black exterior makes it fit right in with your kitchen design. If you're on a lookout for a hot water dispenser that's not very costly, this will do it for you. The device costs less than most hot water machines but performs just as well as top brands. The Rosewill Electric Hot Water Boiler and Warmer Stainless Steel Dispenser can hold 4 liters of water, giving you enough hot water supply throughout the day for your beverages and chores. Once the appliance heats your water, it will beep to alert you that your water is hot. It will also keep the water warm until your next need. If you're tired of always wanting and waiting for your water to boil on the stove, get this appliance and your waiting time will be greatly reduced. This hot water tap has 3 temperature control levels, which allow you to choose how hot your water should be. Coming in at number 3, InSinkErator HHOT150SNSS Invite Single Handle Instant Hot Water Dispenser. This is another hot water dispenser from InSinkErator Invite series. The Invite series from this manufacturer is a set of dispensers made to last long and offer wonderful performance. This hot water dispenser has the normal features the manufacturer includes in this model. This includes a 2-3-gallon stainless steel water tank, which allows it to dispense up to 60 cups of hot water per hour. For warm or boiling hot water, the dispenser has the easy-to-adjust temperature control feature, which allows you to decide which water temperature you prefer and set it to that. The InSinkErator HHOT15SNSS Invite Single Handle Instant Hot Water Dispenser has a satin nickel finish and comes with a 1-year in-home service warranty. This dispenser is ideal for individuals looking for an affordable water dispenser which performs well. The dispenser is easily installed and would make for a good DIY project. It's also the best countertop water dispenser by InSinkErator. Looking to learn more about the best countertop hot water dispensers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Avalon Countertop Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. The Avalon Countertop Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler gives you the best of both worlds. From it, you can get ice-cold water or steaming hot water. The choice is yours. This model has a host of features which you will definitely like. Among them is a child safety lock on the hot water faucet. This makes sure children don't accidentally burn themselves by dispensing the hot water from this water dispenser. This Avalon dispenser also has a built-in night light, which makes it visible in the dark. The dispenser is also self-cleaning. How is that possible, you may ask? The dispenser has a self-clean ozone function. By simply pressing a switch on it, the ozone will be automatically injected into the water tank, cleaning the dispenser. It's recommended you do this at least once a week to keep your tank free of harmful germs and bacteria. This water dispenser is also bottleless. That means there's no more straining your back lifting bottles of water and constantly running out to pick up more. Should you buy this, all parts needed for the installation will come along with it, and installation should be a breeze. In our view, this is the best countertop hot water dispenser by Avalon. Coming in at number 5, Aquverse 1pH Countertop Bottleless Water Dispenser. The Aquverse 1pH Countertop Bottleless Water Dispenser also gives you the option of having your water cold or hot. Made by Aquverse, a manufacturer known for creating long-lasting water coolers, this product will come in handy at your home or office. The sides are made of rolled metal whose durability is 7 times that of traditional stainless steel. The material is easy to clean and anti-fingerprint and smudge protection. The device dispenses water quickly with the rate beginning about 160 Z in less than 8 seconds. The filling area is also large, allowing easy filling for huge containers and sports bottles. The dispenser is bottleless, meaning you can save money now that you won't have to purchase water for this dispenser. To make sure and ensure that the water you drink is as good as bottled water, 1pH has a filtration system which you can use to make your water pure. Coming in at number 6, Electric Hot Water Dispenser by Narita. If you're looking for a water dispenser that won't take much countertop space in your kitchen, you should look to buy this product. The Electric Hot Water Dispenser by Narita is made of stainless steel and is silver and black in color. The colors make it look elegant and will be a perfect fit with your kitchen decor. Whether you're looking to make a hot beverage or you just want to make some more warm water to do the dishes, this dispenser will give you just that. You can set it to automatically reboil water when it cools, or use the keep warm function to keep water hot for when you need it. This model has a water capacity of 3.8 liters, which gives you a lot of hot water to help you do your chores. To dispense water, you can either use the manual dispense, auto dispense, or hands-free dispense. For manual dispense, your air pump to get hot water. For auto dispense, you press a button for your water to be electronically pumped. And for hands-free, simply place your cup under the pump's water outlet and you're good to go. Coming in at number 7, Panasonic NCEG 2200 Electric Thermo Pot. Panasonic is one of the leading brands in the world when it comes to manufacturing of home appliances. Their products are known for their beautiful design and durability. With this device, you get just that. Made from aluminum and white in color, this dispenser can hold 4 liters of water. Its easy to read water gauge lets you know when water levels are low so you can simply refill. Other great features, including in this electric thermos pot, has including a one-touch safety button which locks and unlocks the water dispenser. This ensures hot water is not dispensed accidentally, causing burns. The Panasonic NCEG 2200 electric thermal pot allows you to keep your heated water warm at 4 temperatures, 208, 190, 180, or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures you can enjoy your tea, coffee, or any other hot beverages in seconds. We definitely recommend that you put your hot water heater for use at home, offices, or social events with this Panasonic hot water dispenser. Coming in at number 8, Secura electric water boiler and warmer pot kettle with nightlight. If you're looking for a classy product but you have a limited budget, this is a perfect product to buy. The Secura electric water boiler and warmer pot kettle with nightlight has a stainless steel interior and exterior which makes it easy to clean. Its water gauge keeps you informed on the water levels in the kettle. Should you not refill when the water runs out of the device, it will automatically shut off when levels are extremely low. One of the features that has gotten much feedback about this model is the nightlight. The blue light, which gives light in the dark, makes it easy access and dispensing water in areas with low light. Another great feature is its automatic cleaning system. The machine regularly cleans itself, keeping it free from germs and other families and guaranteeing safe drinking water. With this appliance, you're assured of constant hot water because it automatically keeps warm water at 176 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius, or 208 degrees Fahrenheit, 98 degrees Celsius. This product comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty that is limited. Coming in at number 9, Commercial Water Boiler and Warmer by Zojirushi. This product is made in Japan by Zojirushi. Zojirushi has been in the business of making home devices for more than 90 years, so you can trust that their products are reliable and durable should you buy them. The Commercial Water Boiler and Warmer by Zojirushi has a 5-liter capacity. The device can quickly heat and keep water hot for hours. Water temperatures you can maintain are 208 degrees Fahrenheit, 195 degrees Fahrenheit, and 175 degrees Fahrenheit. These are the ideal temperatures for brewing your favorite cup of hot beverage. Using its 7-hour delay timer, you can set the device at night to boil water in the morning so you can make your cup of hot water or coffee immediately once you wake up. This machine comes with a manual, but is rather easy to use. Cleaning should also be a breeze, as it has a non-stick coated inner container. Water dispensation is automatic once you hit the one-touch electric button. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite countertop hot water dispensers. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com countertop hot water dispensers to avoid. Sunbeam Hot Shot Hot Water Dispenser. The Sunbeam Hot Shot Hot Water Dispenser has been known to spill water once it boils, creating a mess on countertops. The machine's water capacity is also low, meaning if you use a lot of hot water, this device will have your boiling water all day. The quality of the manufacturing of this dispenser is also questionable. Parts of this dispenser have been known to break down, at times within less than 6 months of purchase. This is deemed the worst countertop hot water dispenser on the market. Keep away from it and look on to other options if you want to get the best value for your purchase. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best countertop hot water dispenser. The best countertop hot water dispensers offer you convenience, time savings, space savings, and oftentimes purified water in the kitchen or office space. They not only save you time but money on energy costs, and versus buying bottled water are great for the environment. With a hot water dispenser from your countertop, you won't have to wait anymore for hot water to make your beverages, and they won't require much in terms of space as bottom or top loading dispensers would. These benefits make a countertop hot water dispenser a must-have in your home or office. Looking to learn more about the best countertop hot water dispensers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite countertop hot water dispenser. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.